So welcome back. After the previous lectures, you're probably wondering, oh, how I'm going to do that? How do I do that technically? How do I create integration? How do I schedule my emails? Don't worry about that. This is the easiest part. The most important part, which we'll have to concentrate on first and most, and which I would like you to take out of this course, is the strategy. If you have the right strategy, everything else is very easy. First of all these platforms are very user friendly. Second of all, there's plenty of resources. If it's still difficult for you, you can outsource it. It's just not the main focus. You have to concentrate on the strategy first. So I will talk you through what I call the three pillars of email marketing, and we are going to discuss all of them. And you will have to integrate all three of them in order to have a successful strategy with your emails. So first of all, curiosity. You must generate curiosity in your subscribers. Whenever you're emailing something, it must sound as if you're sharing a secret, as if you're sharing something really important, something that makes them curious, something that makes them want to open their email. So, for example, if you write a title, this is how I improved my email conversion by 95% just using this simple step. This will create curiosity. Of course, everybody would like to know that. Even that they are skeptics, they would like to know if there is such way and what you're saying about this. This creates curiosity. Whereas if you just email strategies or something, just successful email strategies, it just sounds vanilla. You must create curiosity in people in order for them to open your emails. Just concentrate on the subject line of the email and make sure that it gives out some kind of secret information. It talks about something that people are not going to find out just from everybody else. You are making a difference. Second of all, scarcity. This is also related to my previous point, but scarcity, by what I mean by scarcity, is that this is not available for everyone. There is limited offer. This is something that you are giving out just to a few people, just because they expressed interest in particular thing. In a way, you can even very personally address the customer by reminding them on how you got their information, what they downloaded, and you thought about them because they were that valuable, scarce person who is interested in that particular thing. And this is why you're emailing to them. You're not emailing to everybody else. This is a scarce program. This is something that you don't give out just like this. It's just maybe going to disappear in a few hours. Let's say you send them a video and you say, I'm going to take this down in 1 week. So this is very scarce moment. So they must click on it, they must engage with it and find out the information. This is creating again interest, curiosity, and is making people open emails and follow your content. Then, giving something valuable away. So this is related to what I shared in the first one. To create curiosity, you must give the idea people that they are receiving something from you, something that's very valuable that very few people know, that you are sharing with them for free. You don't want any favor from them for this. You don't ask them to pay. You don't ask them to do anything for you. You're just giving it out because you think that they deserve it, because they have expressed interest in you. They're your audience. You are related to them. They're kind of your trusted followers. So this is why you're sharing this with them. You have to make sure that whatever you're emailing is not something that's available everywhere on your content. Let's say you are emailing some kind of secret material, let's say a video which is private, which just works only with this link that you have provided in this email. It's very valuable information, and you are going to take this down just in a week time, just because you want less people to know about it, because it's very important and very valuable. So these are just few strategies, but these three pillars, when you have them in mind, when you create your content and whatever you're emailing to people, this is going to make the difference. And I'm going to show you in more detail on how to write creative engaging and high converting email content in the following lectures.